Today we will discuss the new chapter of Standard 10, that is Lesson 6, Life Process. Different type of process which is taking place in our life. We'll discuss one by one. First we'll discuss about the first process, that is nutrition and different types of nutrition. Now what is nutrition? That is the food we take. We get energy from that. That is the nutrients that food provides, that we get energy from that. That process which is called the nutrition. So different organism has different types of nutrition. First we will discuss about this autotrophic nutrition. There are different types: autotrophic, heterotrophic, parasitic, saprophytic and holozoic. So first, autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, that is green plants, they prepare their own food. That is by themselves with the help of this carbon dioxide. The material which is utilized for the preparation of food is carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, and this carbon dioxide gets reduced into carbohydrates and oxygen is liberated, and excess of water is also liberated outside. And this process which is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means the preparation of food. So green plants which they can prepare their food with the help of photosynthesis, which is called this autotrophic nutrition. There are three events that taking place at the time of photosynthesis. That is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll as a one process. Absorption, that is the light energy with the chlorophyll, that is one process. Then conversion of, that is light energy into chemical energy, that is light energy is converted into chemical energy by splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, and the reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. These are the three events that takes place during the time of this photosynthesis. Now the next nutrition, that is of heterotrophic nutrition. Now what is meant by this heterotrophic nutrition? Some organism depends upon other organism for food, that is called heterotrophic nutrition. For example, even all animals, sometimes herbivores or carnivores, it depends upon either plants or other animals, depends for that, and is called heterotrophic nutrition. Now comes the parasitic nutrition. Some organism that depends upon, that is living organism for the food, that is they live as a, that is host, means this destroys the host also, and that is called the parasite. For example, leech is there, then some kinds of worms, Oscard, all these are examples of parasitic nutrition. Now saprophytic means some organism that takes nutrition from dead organism, that is called saprophytic. Some kind of mold and fungi and all, example for saprophytic nutrition. Now this holozoic nutrition, that is holozoic, some unicellular organisms like amoeba, that is holozoic nutrition takes place, that is it takes the organism as a whole. Now we will discuss how this holozoic nutrition takes place, that is the nutrition in amoeba, which is holozoic nutrition. And that mode of nutrition, that is called the holozoic, there are different stages are there: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Now how this amoeba that takes the food? Now let us see. The food is ingested, that is food is taken by amoeba with the help of a finger-like projection, which is called pseudopodia, and food is taken inside, which is called the ingestion, and it gets digested in the food vacuole, and this digested food is absorbed, that is in the cytoplasm, and the part of energy will be stored for the respiration and part for the, it is utilized for the respiration and part of the energy will be utilized for the growth in assimilation process, and undigested process, that is the undigested part will be ejected out, and this is called that holozoic nutrition which takes place in amoeba. Now we will come back to, so even this autotrophic nutrition. Now here this carbon dioxide is reduced into carbohydrate. From where this carbon dioxide is obtained from this green plants, that is in the surface of the leaves one kind of pores are present which is called stomata. Through stomata this carbon dioxide is taken inside and it is controlled by guard cells. Opening and closing of the stomata is controlled by guard cell. So when carbon dioxide enters, the guard cell swells and it is utilized after photosynthesis. This when it closes, this guard cell will be, that is, shrinks, and excess of water which is also thrown out through this pores which is called the transpiration, that also takes place inside the stomata.